Ever wondered how crucial green spaces are in our concrete jungles? Green spaces serve as the lungs of urban landscapes, introducing a breath of fresh air amidst towering buildings. They offer more than just aesthetic appeal, being a sanctuary for mental well-being and a haven for biodiversity. These pockets of greenery contribute significantly to maintaining an ecological balance, proving that nature and urbanity can coexist harmoniously. But what if space is limited? How do we incorporate more greenery? Enter vertical gardens. Vertical gardens, also known as living walls, are not just visually appealing but also pack a punch of benefits. Imagine having a lush green space that climbs up your wall, breathing life into every corner. This is the magic of vertical gardens. They make use of the often overlooked vertical space, allowing you to grow a variety of plants, even in areas with limited square footage. But the benefits don't stop at space saving. Vertical gardens are a breath of fresh air, literally. They absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, contributing to better air quality around your home or office. And let's not forget about their role in reducing urban heat. By shading walls and roofs, these gardens can lower ambient temperatures, making hot summer days more bearable. Lastly, the unique aesthetic appeal of vertical gardens can't be overstated. They add a touch of vibrancy and natural beauty to any environment. So, vertical gardens are not just green walls, they are a solution to many urban challenges. Impressed by the concept of vertical gardens? There's a lot more to explore. This channel is a treasure trove of fascinating topics, from creative gardening techniques to the latest eco-friendly trends. Imagine all the inspiration and knowledge you'll gain by hitting that subscribe button. Each video is crafted with the intention to add value to your green journey. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting content. Until next time, keep greening your spaces.